Hey everybody, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Lowe's Home Services. Lowe's Home Services is a nationwide home improvement company which provides installation services for products bought in-store as well as project management, consultation, and design services. The company's Resolve Home Restoration Services specialize in repairing damage caused by fire, water, and disasters. Lowe's website contains useful tips and advice for completing a variety of home improvement jobs, as well as handy calculators to help you figure out exactly what quantities of materials you need for your next project. However, Lowe's Home Services are mainly focused on the installation of products bought from the company online and in-store. The company does not offer any handyman or cleaning services. Bottom line, for customers who are happy to source their materials from Lowe's, the company has a good range of design, consultation, and fitting services. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.